Good evening everyone, I am Tarun. I am here to present a project called Iris Cloud Detection. And coming to my project, the aim is to classify this iris flower among three different types. The first one is Iris setosia, and Iris vericolor, and Iris virginica. Uh, and coming to this, for measurement of the sepals and petals and the length and the width of the flower, the Iris dataset contains three classes of 50 instances each, which each class refers to the type of iris plant. The main aim of this design is to make the model useful classifications for different kind of new flowers. The dataset which I have taken is iris CSV file which I got from the internet, and the number of columns is 4 and the number of rows in this dataset is 150. And coming to the first coding part of the project, the first part is about importing all the required essential libraries. And here you can see I have used the NumPy and matplot, library.pyplot, and cpon, pandas. Coming to the libraries, NumPy is used for arrays and large matrices, and matplot library.pyplot is used for representing the graphs, and cpon is used for representing the graph and which analyzes the graph. And coming to the pandas, it is similar to the cpon. And coming to the second coding part of the project, it is about loading the dataset. Here we will use a famous dataset called Iris dataset. The dataset contains information about three types of flowers, and each flower has four different kinds of measurements. The first one is sepal length, and second one is sepal width, and the third one is petal length, and the fourth one is petal width. Here I have used the sklearn.datasets library for importing data, and here you can see the feature names are given as sepal length, which is in centimeters, and the sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And the targeted names are of the different kinds of flowers are setosa, vesicolor, and virginica. And the third code part is about converting the data frame. Here the dataset is in a format that it is not easy to read, so we are using the data frame like using pandas in order to like this pandas with this our data looks like a table which we can easily understand than the previous one. And coming to the data visualization part, we are going to create some graph to see how different flowers look based on their different kinds of measurements. Here, as you can see, the output is as like 4 into 4, it is 16 different kinds of graphs. Coming to the sepal length, like different, as you can see, the blue one represents the setosa, and the orange one represents vesicolor, and the green one represents virginica. And as you coming to the sepal length, the blue one is the longest one, and coming to the similars one, everything is similar. Like this, we are representing the data in this form of graphs. And coming to the splitting of data, before teaching the computer, we split the data into training data and testing data. The training data is of 80%, the part we used to teach the computer, and the remaining 20% we used to check how well the computer has learned the data. And here I have used the sklearn.model selection library for importing train test bit. Here the training, as you can see, the test size is of 0.2. The training shape size is 120, and the remaining 30 will be used for the testing of the shape. And coming to the training of the model, now we teach the computer using support vector machine, which is a method that helps computers classify things. This step is like teaching the computer by showing it lots of examples. And here I have used sklearn.skn library for importing SVC. As you can see, it is trained. And the next part is about making predictions. Now the model has learned about the data, and we can ask it to predict the type of flower for new data. And coming to the final part, evaluation of the model, we will see the accuracy of the model here. If the accuracy is about 100%, the model is successfully trained. Here also we are using sklearn matrices as the libraries. to import accuracy score, classification report, and confusion matrix. As we run now and see, as you can see, the accuracy is 1, it is 100%. Our model is successfully trained. Thank you.